Now you will learn how to transform this picture into this picture. First of all, you have to transform this picture into night picture. I already done it, but you can do it by sliding some sliders in Camera Raw or Lightroom. So our first step is to create new layer, then go to rectangular marquee tool and select the place where light will be. Then go to gradient tool and make sure that the white color is our first color. After finishing that step, click Ctrl D to deselect, then go to move tool and then Command T. After that, right click and distort. Then you put this light beam in the right place where headlights are. After a little bit of adjustments, when you are happy with the results, go to filter, then go to blur and Gaussian blur. Now you have to decide which is right amount of blur for you. I'm happy with 6.8. Then we'll click our layer with light beam, then we'll press Ctrl Command J to duplicate it and move it to another headlight, and then once again we'll duplicate the same layer and move to another headlight, and that's pretty much it. After all of this is finished, it's cool, but I decided to make one light spot beneath headlights to make it even more realistic. So I will go to a lasso tool and create one circle of light. We will do it with changing exposure settings. So basically I will increase exposure and then we'll go to the feather to make it a little bit softer, and that's pretty much it for this edit, and I'm happy with the results, so I will leave it like this. So now you can see before and after. This is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will appreciate it.